quick tips for effective online learning. Want to ace online learning? Check out these quick, effective tips. Tip 1. Organize your study space. Keep your study space clutter-free. A tidy desk equals a focused mind. Tip 2. Time management. Plan your day. Allocate specific times for studying, breaks, and leisure. Stay on track. Stay ahead. Tip 3. Digital tools for learning. Leverage digital tools. Use apps for note-taking, time management, and learning resources. Tip 4. Regular breaks. Don't forget to take short breaks. Refresh your mind and boost concentration. That creates good communication. Tip 5. Stay connected. Join online study groups or forums. Sharing knowledge and having discussions keeps you connected and motivated, inspired even. Implement these tips for a smoother online learning experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Happy learning, thinkers.